Hey guys, it's Tiger98252 here, and today we're actually going to try to go to, hold on. As you can see, wait no, sorry, when darkness, this person again in my other video, please report her and do anything you can, because she is a really mean scammer. So yeah, I'm not saying that very enthusiastic, but today we're gonna trade and be doing some animals. So yeah, well, not really animals as much as trading, but we're gonna try to be doing a lot of trading in this video. So let's see if that works. Oh. So, oh, two of my buddies are here? What the heck? So I guess we could try to trade Angelico for her collar. What world am I on? I'm trying to get on Alden, because that is the most, like, full world, and I like to be on full worlds rather not. Okay, let's see. I really want headdresses to come back. All you guys are like, oh no, I hope they don't come back because I have a headdress and, wait, did they come back? No. But I mean, then you guys are like, oh no, I don't want them to come back because all this stuff and, well, yeah, but that's just you. There's a lot of other jammers who don't have headdresses, so. So yeah. It seems like she just bought all of hers because she's a lot. Okay. Oh. Well, what? This is Alden? Really? Oh, that's a little better. Okay, so we have been on like an effortless a full effort trial of getting my, well, it's like a full, it's hard to explain. Like, we have been trying, me and Star Packet, and have been trying to get back my pink long, but we've never succeeded. So yeah. Um, okay. So I'm way over trading because I want the pink long so bad. And, so I'm offering 4 epic plushies of your choice if I ever offer you. Plus rare gazelles, my helmet, my entire trade list. So yeah, guys, if you can tell by a lot, I'm way over trading this. Wait, where's my black one? Oh, there. Okay. Hello? What's your name? Yeah, I actually saw QT Angel yesterday. Or Angle. QT Angle. I don't know. Oh. She's trying to get a black long, but from what I'm seeing, I don't really see anything on her trade list that could get her a black long, because that's not even, oh wait, no it is. So, she's not really, I don't think she wants to do the trade because, you know. Come on. Okay. Okay. So that's it for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe and please buddy. Wait a second. Did I just... Wait. Oh no. So guys, thanks for watching and I will be back with another video next time. Bye.